You've been arrested for domestic violence. Maybe it was a misunderstanding. Maybe you were defending yourself. Maybe nothing happened at all. But now your freedom, your reputation, and your future are all on the line. Here's the truth that most people don't hear. Being accused of domestic violence is not the same as being guilty. But if you don't take it seriously and fast, it can destroy your life. I'm Adam Rossen from the Rossen Law Firm, and I've helped countless clients beat domestic violence charges and protect their freedom. And in this video, we're going to break down a few things. Number one, we're going to talk about how domestic violence cases are really prosecuted. Two, we're going to talk about the most effective legal defenses. And number three, what you need to do immediately to protect yourself and win in the court system. When someone calls 911 for a domestic disturbance in Florida, somebody's getting arrested, even if nobody wants to press charges. And once the cops get involved, it's out of your hands. The prosecutor, not the victim, decides whether the case moves forward. And here's where it gets worse. Florida courts often issue no contact orders immediately, and what it'll do is it'll force you out of your own home. Even without physical evidence, the alleged victim's word can be enough to move forward with the case against you. And if you don't fight back properly, a conviction can mean jail time, permanent criminal record, the loss of your gun and Second Amendment rights, and future immigration consequences. Here's the good news. You can win a domestic violence case if you know what you're doing. But let me be clear. This is not a step-by-step guide. Every case is different. Every set of facts, every relationship dynamic, every courtroom strategy is and should be unique. And that's why hiring the right legal team matters. At the Rossen Law Firm, we don't take a cookie-cutter approach. We take the time to understand your story, your charges, your goals, so we can build a custom defense strategy around you. Here's how we approach it. Number one, we expose inconsistencies in the story. We comb through 911 calls, police reports, witness statements, and we find contradictions. Did the story change? Is the timeline unclear? Inconsistencies can destroy credibility in front of a judge or a jury. Number two, we're going to leverage physical and digital evidence, surveillance footage, text messages, pictures, lack of injuries. They often prove that no violence occurred or you were the one being attacked. And we gather and preserve evidence fast before it disappears. Number three, show motives for false allegations. In some cases, people file false reports during custody battles, divorces, or immigration proceedings. We've seen it time and time and time again, and most people don't even realize that people do these things. Let me tell you, it happens way more than you know or would expect. And so when we can show that these accusations are made for anger, revenge, to gain legal leverage, it becomes a powerful defense in your case. And number four, we highlight your character. So we'll present your background, your history, your behavior, and we'll show the court that you're not the person the prosecution is trying to paint. Strong character witnesses and documentation of your lifestyle can make a major impact for your benefit. Number five, we're going to use the law to your advantage. So in Florida, we can file a motion to dismiss your case based on stand your ground, which is self-defense. This has been in Florida for now 20 years, and it's a fantastic, motion and remedy that we can go ahead and use to have the case completely dismissed. Now, other times we can file a motion to suppress unlawfully obtained evidence and proving that your constitutional rights were violated during the arrest, usually under the 4th, 5th, or 6th Amendments to the U.S. Constitution. Here's what you need to do if you're facing a domestic violence charge. Number one, don't contact the alleged victim. Even if you think it can fix it, don't. That alone can get you arrested, rearrested for violating an injunction or no contact order. Number two, you must hire the best criminal defense law firm immediately. Domestic violence cases move fast. The prosecution and the cops, they're building their case immediately against you, and you need to start fighting back ASAP. And that's where we come in. At the Rossen Law Firm, we've successfully defended hundreds of clients in domestic violence cases just like yours. We know what it takes to protect your freedom, clear your name, and guide you every step of the way. Number three, collect your own evidence. Save texts, emails, photos. Get witness names, anything that you can collect, and send to us that'll support your version of the story. Also, prepare for court like your life depends on it. Because it does. This is not a speeding ticket. It's a life life-altering accusation. I always say domestic violence cases can be the kiss of death for future jobs and housing, because nobody wants a quote-unquote wife beater, right, in their rental unit, or to hire them to work at their job. And so there's such a stigma where you'll get that scarlet DV on your chest, okay? And it's so important that you handle it the right way and get the right criminal defense law firm. A domestic violence charge doesn't just go away on its own, but with the right legal defense, you can fight it and win. We've helped many clients walk out of court with their freedom, their families, and their records clean, and we can help you too. If you're facing a DV charge in Florida, call us today at 754-206-6200 for a strategy session, and subscribe to our channel. We want to give real legal strategies that protect your rights and your future. I'm attorney Adam Rossen, and you have more power than you think. Now let's use it.